Hello guys, today we are talking about how to use a Memoji sticker as your contact photo. This may be first time using iPhone and you don't know how to do it. Today we're gonna show you this. So let's go to messages. At the top left, click on edit and select edit name and photo. Under the photo below, choose edit. And in the tab Memoji, choose from ready-made options or create your own by clicking on the plus. The editor has a wide range of options. Also, we can take and depict any emotion, for example, like this. That's all. If you were wondering how to use a Memoji sticker as your contact photo, this is the easiest way. Now, if you know no way, please leave a comment. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.